So, given the fact that our galley sink is a little disconnected right now, it's a little displaced, let's say, we have to wash our dishes outside, so I'm gonna go clean up because it's been a couple days. We haven't really been cooking much because we don't have our galley put together and we've got parts all over the place, but we still do have a couple dishes, so I'm gonna go clean them up so we can kind of get back to a little more orderly chaos, I guess you would call it. Our boat is kind of in shambles at the moment, so we've got some work to do. Jack has been really productive with his work recently. These are the dishes I'm going to clean. See, it's not too bad. And then those are the dishes I'm going to dry off and put away. Right there.